In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the navigation pane in Microsoft Outlook quickly with our comprehensive 2025 guide. Let's get started by launching Microsoft Outlook on your desktop. Now, once Outlook is open, look towards the top of your screen and you'll find a series of tabs. Click on the View tab. This is your gateway to modifying various settings, including the navigation pane. With the View tab now open, look for Navigation Pane and click on it. A small drop-down will appear with three options for you to choose from: normal, minimized, and off. Let me explain these options a bit further. The normal setting will display the full pane, showing all folders and icons, which is great if you frequently navigate between different Outlook features. On the other hand, selecting minimize shrinks the pane into just icons. This option is perfect if you prefer more screen space for reading emails. And lastly, off hides the pane completely, which might be useful if you want a very clean and distraction-free workspace. Once you've chosen an option that suits your preferences, you might also want to tweak what appears in the navigation pane. To do this, stay in the View tab, click on Navigation Pane again, and select Options. This action opens the Navigation Options window, presenting you with a host of customization features. Here, you can rearrange essential items like mail, calendar, people, and tasks by moving them up or down. You can also change how many items are visible at once, which helps optimize your workflow by tailoring the pane to fit your daily tasks. Additionally, you can choose to show or hide the folders button and decide whether you want icons enabled or disabled. Don't forget to click OK to save your changes before exiting this window. Now, if you find that the size of your navigation pane is not quite right, you can easily resize it without needing any menus. Simply hover your mouse over the right edge of the pane until you see a double-headed arrow. Click and drag left or right to adjust the width of the pane to your liking, allowing you to maximize your workspace efficiently. But what if your navigation pane mysteriously disappears? Don't worry, there's a simple fix. Return to the View tab, click on Navigation Pane, and select Normal to bring it back. If it still doesn't appear, go back to the View tab and select Reset View, which restores the default settings and should bring the pane back. By following these steps, you can easily customize and control your navigation pane in Microsoft Outlook, optimizing it to suit your unique workflow needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.